Okay, Namaskar everyone. Go to your mat. Stretch your legs forward. Right leg over your left leg, pull in. Hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Tell yourself that the next 1 hour is all for yourself. For the practice of yoga. Through the practice of yoga, you are getting healthier and happier day by day. Through the practice of yoga, you are getting calm and peaceful. Through the practice of yoga, you are spreading love, light, peace and harmony to the world. Inhale, exhale. Be here, be at the present moment, and tell yourself that the next 1 hour is all for your well-being. Inhale, exhale. Open your eyes, stretch your legs forward. We will start off with Pavana Uttanasana. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Now for your ankle, inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Legs apart, toes pointed at each other. Inhale, rotate all the way to the side. Exhale back to the center. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, center. The other way around. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Align by your legs. Place your palms on your knees. Engage your kneecap. Bring your heels up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now bring the soles of your legs together. Move your knee up and down. Titalyasana butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place your elbow on your upper thigh. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, push your knee down. Go all the way down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down again. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Stretch your legs forward. Interlock your fingers under your right knee. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, place on your left thigh. Massage your sole. You can massage up to your knee. Now place your right palm on your right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Straighten. Now interlock your fingers under your left knee. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, place on your right thigh. Massage your sole. You can massage up to your knee. Now place your left palm on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Straighten. Right leg over, left leg breathe. Stretch your hands forward. Inhale, palms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Thumbs on your shoulder. Inhale all the way up. Now interlock your fingers, exhale to look up. Thumbs on your shoulder, inhale forward. Exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Once again, inhale up. Interlock your fingers, exhale to look up. Thumbs on your shoulder, inhale forward. Exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Release. Now for your neck, inhale and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your chin towards your chest. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Back to the center. The left. Center. Tilt to the right. Center. To the left. Center. Lastly, eyeball exercise. Interlock your fingers, thumbs up. Gaze at the tip of your thumb. Bring your thumb up. All the way down. To the center. To the right. Center. To the left. Center. To the tip of your nose. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. To the space in between your eyebrow, look up, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. Release. Up, Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Come to the front of your mat. Legs apart according to your hip width. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Imagine like there is a tiny sun at your navel point. Imagine like the tiny sun is moving up to your eyebrow center. When the tiny sun is moving up, it's spreading yellow color light throughout your body. The yellow color light is now spread 6 feet around you. The yellow color light is giving you warmth and protection. Now imagine like the tiny sun is moving back to your navel point, your Manipura chakra. It's energizing your Manipura chakra. Right now, you are directly connected to the sun. You are fully energized to do Surya Namaskar. Before you start, thank the nature, thank the universe. Thank all your teachers, gurus, and mahants. Thank your fellow practitioners. Thank yourself. Thank your body for the opportunity to practice yoga. Open your eyes. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way forward and behind. Exhale all the way down. Now bring your right leg behind, your right toes flat. Inhale, open up your chest, look up. Both your hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your chest down, your chin down and your knee down. Ashtangasana. Hold your breath. Inhale up, Bhujangasana, up until your navel point. Exhale, Shashankasana, sit on your heels. Inhale, Majariasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Marjariasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Second round. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Marjariasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Right leg, sorry, right leg. Right leg, right leg, sorry. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Now right leg forward, inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Now left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. 2 more rounds in faster pace. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Now bring your right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Last round. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up. Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind, inhale, open. Hands down, mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale, up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majariyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Hands down, straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Then Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. Come to the front of your mat. Both your legs together. Open up your chest. Spine straight. Pull in your abdomen. Samastitihi. Roll your shoulders behind. Hands at the side of your body. Inhale up. Bring both your hands up. Look up. Exhale. Look up and go down. Head down completely. Inhale. Head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, deep inhalation and exhalation. 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Second round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Now bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Hold Chaturanga. Come up, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Third round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, down. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastiti. Fourth round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Last round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar, B, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward facing. Now bring your right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward facing. Now left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Second round, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Third round, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now bring your right leg forward. Inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. One, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Last round, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Go down, Tineshwari. Come up, now come up, Chaturanga. Try Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay, inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. That was not last round, huh? That was fourth round. Last round, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Release, relax, sit down. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
sorry teacher nak tanya, kalau kita nak breathing tu kan, kita inhale ikut hidung, exhale ikut mulut ke? Macam mana?
Breathing is always, Afra ke ni? Kejap.
Ya betul.
Breathing is always through your nose, inhale nose, exhale nose.
Okay, thank you.
You see, bila kita, of course sometimes when we work out and all, diorang ajar kita untuk inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Because the practice is short. Let's say you want to lift weight, apa semua, you use your mouth because it will make you feel macam lega. We feel relief when you breathe through your mouth. But what will happen is our practice is long. So untuk sustain kita punya energy for prolonged time, you should not breathe through your mouth. When you breathe through your mouth, you become tired very fast. That's why you always use your nose. Memang asalnya you will feel macam we are so used to breathing through our nose, mouth, kita mix kan, especially when we go jogging ke apa ke, but always practice only through your nose. Okay, inhale nose, exhale nose. Okay, Afra? Yeah? Okay.
Thank you teacher.
Okay, before we continue, I want to share one story. This story, this may answer some of your questions also. See, okay. There is this one warrior who went for a war battle in another country. After the war and all, he won the battle. Then he was on his way back to his home. On the way back home, he saw a monk. The monk was closing his eyes and meditating. And his face looked so calm. This the warrior, he was very happy also. He was coming back home very happily with happy face as well. He was walking back home and he was on his horse coming back home. And when he saw this monk is not doing anything, just sitting down. Everyone were waiting for him. He was just sitting down, closing his with his eyes closed, and he looked very calm and happy also. So he was just a bit curious. So he waited with the crowd as well, and he wanted to speak to the monk. Then the monk opened his eyes. He spoke to the crowd, those who were waiting for him. He blessed them. He did all the healing that he needs to do. He spoke to them and all. And last was the warrior. So when he came and saw the monk, he asked, while he was waiting, this warrior, he felt so agitated. He was like restless because he is so used to doing a lot of movements, a lot of activities all the time. Whereas this monk, he was just sitting, smiling and talking to people. So he was like, he was very curious. Then when his turn came, he asked, how come you look so calm, so peaceful, you don't move much and you are smiling all the time, you are so patient to be meeting everyone, talking and all. Now I feel like I have not been doing the right thing. Maybe I should just be sitting. You look so happy. I can just be happy like you just by sitting like this as well. Maybe I have not been doing the right thing. That is what the warrior will say. Then the monk will answer, see, my job, my duty is to heal others, to give blessings, to speak to people and all. This is my job. This is the duty given to me. So I am doing my duty. Your duty is to save the country. So if you go and sit and meditate, then who will do the duty of saving the country? So we are all in the right place at the right time and doing, whether you are doing the right thing or not, it depends on you. Number ellame, the place where we are placed, the situation where we are placed are all correct. Whether you are doing the right thing or not, it all depends on you. Whether you want to, you become a warrior, but you think, oh, I should have been placed somewhere else so that I can do other things, or you do your duty well, it all depends on you. I just want to share about some questions that people ask me. Some of you have asked me. See, some of you, you say, how I wish I can be like you, Akka. You are alone, so you can be traveling, you can be teaching, you can teach a lot of classes because you are alone, you have no commitment and all. There is a reason why I am placed in such a position. There is a reason why we have certain commitments in life. We are a mother because God has chosen you to bring up a soul on your own. Maybe you are a single mother, God has chosen you because you are responsible enough, you are suitable enough to bring up a child all on your own. Some of us maybe, I was actually, after my studies, I was actually unemployed for 1 year. I was staying at home back in my hometown. At that time, my father was working outstation. For 1 year, I was just, both my sisters were studying outside. I was just alone with my mother. But even at that time, I will always tell myself that God has made me at home, stay at home just with my mother for 1 year because God wants me to have the best memory of my life. So until now, I appreciate. After this, after that one year, I did not have any time ever in my life to be just with my mother. See, I really appreciate that 1 year time where I just spent with my mother. Morning, I will prepare breakfast for her. At that time, she was still working. She was not retired. I prepared breakfast for her, then she'll come back, I'll prepare dinner for her, we will be eating together, talking for a while. She shared a lot of things with me. Then she'll go to sleep, I will be doing my things. So we are placed in certain things happen in our life, what we think may be something which is not fortunate and all, try to make full use of it. Memang it's not, see, even when I was unemployed, being unemployed, I give you the example of being unemployed for 1 year. Of course, many people ask me, you studied so hard and all, and now you are at home for 1 year. I did genetics and molecular biology. So when I got that course, I was so happy. But when I was at home, everyone asked a lot of questions. Same goes to when I'm alone. Now I am alone, I'm staying alone, I'm doing things, I teach and all. The positive thing is I can do a lot of things for myself. I can take care of myself, I can teach a lot of classes and all. But when I am sick and I have to take care of myself. If yesterday, of course, many of you messaged me, asked how am I. Some of you called, I could not even answer the call and all. Some of you, I replied messages and all. So there are pros and cons in whatever situation that we are placed. So it is our duty to do the right thing, to make full use of it. Whatever negativity is there, you just let it go. Always count on your blessings. Ella vishayathilum edaachum oru nalladum irukum. You just look at the positive side of it. Let go of all the negativity. If I think I will fall sick, I will fall sick. In a year, maybe I will fall sick once or twice. The rest of the 364 years is 64 days or 363 days. I can be seeing you all and teaching without any worries at all. So, we are all, if you are not married, if you don't have kids, if you have gone through anything at all, betrayal and all, there must be a reason for all that. Make full use of it. For mothers who have kids at home, sometimes they will be giving you a lot of trouble, headache and all. See, take it positively. They will be with you just for a certain period of time. And after ஒரு காலகட்டத்துக்கு அப்புறம், they won't be with you anymore. They won't be dependent on you anymore. There will be time where you will be looking for them, but they won't be there anymore. So always appreciate every moment that is given to you. Make full use of it, or only look at the positive side. Okay? So, okay, that's about it. Today we will continue with the asana that I wanted to teach yesterday. Okay, yesterday what happened I will tell later if there's time. Okay, so today we will be doing one interesting asana. I will teach the actual asana as well as some the modification of the asana, variation of the asana as well, so that all of us can do the asana. Then we will do one more asana if there's, I think there will be enough time. We will do both the asanas. Okay, we will do all the preparatory asanas needed for the asana that we are going to do. The first one that we are going to do, okay, Ardha Anjaneyasana. Okay, on your knees, bring your right leg forward, put your hands down, stretch your leg forward, inhale, head up, exhale, go down. Stay here. Chin forward, look forward at your toes. Go. On your knees, bring your right leg forward, both your hands down. Inhale, head up. Make sure that your knee is straight. Exhale, chin forward. Inhale, exhale. See, for you to go forward, try to move your hands forward, palms forward, move your palms forward. Then you can go lower. Hands forward, move forward. Stay. One, inhale, exhale. Two, Kartika, knee straight, Kartika. Knee straight. Knee, mutti nera vainga. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Vicky, knee straight. Vicky, knee bent irukku parunga. 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Now switch. The other leg forward. Inhale, head up. Exhale, go down. Walk your hands forward. Stay. 1, inhale, exhale. Move forward. 2, Lingeshwari, on your video, Lingeshwari, I can't see you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Okay, Lingeshwari, turn on your video. Turn on your video. I won't be able to see what you are doing. Turn on your video now. Okay. We will continue with the next asana. Okay. Okay, chill. Okay, the next asana. Parvitra Janu Sirsasana. To see whether you are doing your Parvitra Janu Sirsasana to get the full stretch. See, your leg should not be forward like this or halfway, 45 degrees. It should be 90 degrees. Okay, we have done this before. Right hand will be holding your left hand ankle. Left hand all the way from the top. Okay, see, your upper arm will be at the side of your ear. Good. Hold your, rotate your body a little. Or if you can't touch your toes, it's okay, but still, the most important thing is the side stretch. So you go down this way. Go. So inhale.
Master, can we sit? Can we be seated? Can we be seated?
Yes, you're supposed to be sitting. Who is asking this? 2, go down, go down, go down. Inhale, exhale, go down. 3, rotate your body, look up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down, Tarshana. Go as much. Opposite, Tarshana. Opposite. கீழே போங்க, இந்த சைடு போங்க. ரைட் காலுக்கு கீழே போங்க. Okay, inhale, come up. The rest come up. Correct, Tarshana. Now you can. Okay, now switch the other leg. Okay, Arvind, கால் வந்து இன்னும் straighten பண்ணுங்க. இந்த கால். The one you are stretching out, you have to, correct. Inhale, exhale, go down. Rotate your body, look up. Those who have already touched your toes, rotate your body, look up. Stay. 1, 2, correct. Go down. Some more, Tarshana. Inhale, exhale, go lower. 3, 4, 5. Good, Gauri, good posture. 6. Dineshwari, go lower. You can touch already. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Okay, the next one. You will stretch your legs forward. If you can hold your big toe, you hold your big toe, or else you can hold your ankle. What you will do, inhale, lift, stretch, straight up. Lift it, straight up. Then look up at your toes. I'll show sideways this one. Stretch your legs forward. Hold, inhale, straight up. Go. This is also known as another variation of Akarna Dhanurasana. Okay, inhale, up. Look up. Go, Sindhu, go. You are doing it correctly. Go, look up. Stay. 1, knee straighten. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release, switch. The other leg now. Okay. Inhale, up. Stay. 1. மேல பாருங்க தஷினி, மேல பாருங்க. Look at your toes. 2, 3. Higher, Dashmi. Higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. Next one. See, this is actually variation of half Hanumanasana, Ardha Hanumanasana. Okay. You will go on squatting down position. Stretch your legs sideways. You bring both your hands down. Lift up. Okay. Squatting down position. Okay. For some of us, maybe you will be on your toes. It's okay. Okay. You can go on your toes also. Okay. What is important is, okay, from this position, you will stretch your legs sideways. Bring both your hands down. Use your elbow. Lift your leg up. Inhale, head up. Exhale, chin down. Go as much as possible. Okay, go. sideways. Bring both your elbow down. Elbow will be supporting. புரியலையா ராஜேஷ்? இருங்க ராஜேஷ் நான் திருப்பி செய்றேன். Okay, for those who didn't get it, I'll show once again. Squatting down position. Stretch your legs sideways. See, bring both your hands down. So your elbow will be supporting your leg. Then you lift up. Make sure that your knee is straight. Inhale, head up. Exhale, chin down. Go. Stay. 1, 2. Go Ramila, go. Lift, lift, lift. 3. Use your elbow. கீழ போங்க Ramila. கீழ போனீங்கன்னா உங்க elbow touch பண்ணிரும். Then you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. See, if you find it hard to lift like this, it's okay if your knee is down like this. You can also do this. Okay, inner stretch is actually for the leg that you are stretching out. So you can support with your knee also. If you can do this, you do this. If you want to place your knee down also, can. Okay, now go for opposite side. Stay. 1, inhale up. Go Arvind, go. 2. Correct, Vicky. Straighten your knee, Vicky. Engage your knee. Stretch your toes forward. Good, Haripriya sister. Very nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. Okay. 2 more asana before we go to the actual asana. Okay, we will do. Okay, the asana that we are going to do is actually a very beautiful variation of Sedu Bandhasana. It's known as Bada Ekapada Sedu Bandhasana. So we will do Sedu Bandhasana first for right leg and left leg. Then we will do Bada Ekapada Sedu Bandhasana. Badana, founded. Ekapada, Eka is one, Pada is leg. Sedu Bandhasana is bridge long pose, which we will do now. Okay, how do we do Sedu Bandhasana? You will lie down. Okay, you can either hold your ankle or you can place your hands down. See, you will Sedu Bandhasana. This is also known as Sedu Bandha Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana, you will be balancing yourself on your shoulder. So what you do, you can hold your ankle, then from this position you will inhale, you lift your hip up. Elbow down, you can use your elbow to press and lift your hip up, look up. Or if you can't hold your elbow, you lift, press both your palms down and lift your hip. Okay, go. Okay, good. Inhale, up. Good. Nice, Pravina. Stay. 1. Good, Kavilan. Good. 2. 3. Vicky, hip higher. Vicky, hip higher. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, come down. You can see the next asana in lying down position. So now as you have done this, what you will do, you'll bring both your hands to one leg and lift the other leg up. Okay, go. If you can't hold your ankle, you can place your hand down, lift it. Go. Inhale, up. Stay. 1, 2. Good. Correct, Amila. Hip higher, Amila. Rajesh, hip higher. Knee straight. Engage. Straighten your knee. Good. Saying maintain, maintain. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come down. Switch leg. Switch leg. Inhale. Up. Navina, hip higher. Idupu thookunga, Navina. No, idupu thookunga. Ah, correct. 2, 3. This will strengthen your lower back and your hip. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Calm down. Okay. So now I will teach you the asana that we are going to do. Bada, Ekapada, Sedubandhasana. So we know that okay, the one you did just now, this is also Ekapada, Sedubandhasana. Okay, Bada is bounded. So how do we do bounded Ekapada Sirsasana? From this position, you will come up on your toes. Right hand will be holding your left ankle. Then you will lift your right leg up. Hold with your left hand. Hold your big toe with your left hand. Okay? Let me show it. Can you see, right? Should I show one more time? I'll show. I'll show one more time. See, if you, for those who can't hold your ankle, it's okay. You place your hand down. Okay? Then lift your left leg, right leg up. Hold with your opposite hand. Come. Good. Bring your toe down. Tasha ini உருண்டு பரண்டு எந்திரிக்குது இந்த பிள்ளை. Do, never mind. Pull your toe down to the floor. Good, Pratibha, correct. Go lower, correct. Good, lower, a bit more, hip up. But maintain your hip, don't bring your hip down to the floor. Shantini, opposite leg. Right holding left, left holding right. Correct. Once you're done with your right leg, do for left also. Okay, once you're done with right leg, stay for 5 counts. 5 counts, 10 counts, then choose opposite. Okay, Gauri, correct, but lift your hip up, Gauri. Your hip is down already. Hip higher. Jayanti sister, hip higher? Hip higher. Ah, yes, correct. Make sure that you are not letting go of your hip. Hip must be lifted up. Saying, Kartika, saying, good. Higher, hip higher. Shiva, bring your leg lower. Kila kondu vaanga. See, what you are doing to your, let me show. Okay, what you are doing to your leg is, you are holding here. In lying down position, right will be holding left like this. Then left will actually be holding your leg like this. So you bring it down to the floor. This is what you will be doing in lying down position. Once you're done with right leg, do for the other leg. Okay, correct. Umul, bring down. Hip udah dengan Umul. Hip higher, bring your toes down. Correct. A bit more. Bring it down. Bring it down. Okay. Okay, this is actually a very beautiful asana. Okay, you try. After this, you continue trying. There's another beautiful asana which I just saw and I tried. Then I want to teach all of you also. This asana was in the profile of Simon Sinnerjin Sulwanga. He is a very old yoga teacher, but he doesn't look as old as he actually is. I have only learned yoga. I've only been to yoga workshop from one Western teacher who came over to Malaysia. So at that time I was very new to yoga, but my master actually brought me along with him. So I attended this course with Simon Sinnerjin Sulwanga. You can actually see his profile. He has actually developed his own yoga routine. So this was in his profile. He has got a very, very good energy. And the way he practices asana is in a flow. It was like a dance when we attended his workshop. So that's about him. But the asana that he did, we will do 2 preparatory asanas. I think one is enough before we do the asana. Okay, the preparatory asana that we are going to do. Right leg on top of your left thigh. Then you will bring your hand behind. Try to hold your big toe, or else see how to hold your big toe. At times you won't be able to reach. What you can do, you can bend your knee, try to go down and pull. Grab, bend, come. Use this hand also to help to lift up. The kay will help to, one, you can push your knee, hold your big toe, lift up, then go down, go, come up, right leg on top of your left thigh. Okay, bring your hand behind, right holding right. Right hand holding your right big toe from behind. Okay, stay, inhale, exhale. 1, 2, hold the position. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, release, switch the other leg. Left leg up on top of your right thigh. Hand all the way behind. Hold your left big toe. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. The asana that we are going to do is called Ardha Bada Padma. Ardha Bada Padma is this. Ardha is half, Bada rounded, Padma half lotus. Ardha Padma is half lotus. So the asana that we are going to do will be Ardha Bada Padma. Bada is bounded, Ardha Padma is half lotus. But we are going to do Ardha Bada Padma, Ardha Sirsasana. Ardha Sirsasana is half headstand. Okay, so how do we do this pose? At first, you will come down, hold your elbow. Then you will interlock your fingers like headstand. See first, see first. Then you will bring the crown of your head down. Inhale, lift both your legs up, walk close. Then from this position, let go of your right hand, bring your right leg on top of your right thigh, a left thigh. Then you bring your right hand all the way behind, hold your right. Balance yourself on your toes. Okay. Maybe we will not be able to hold our toes. It's okay. You still bring your hand behind. Balance yourself. Go. Hand pose. We do. Hand pose. Now bring both your hands down, elbow down. Hold your elbow tight. Open up, interlock your fingers. Crown of your head down. Both your knees up. Walk close to your body. Right leg on top of your left thigh. Bring your right hand all the way behind. Hold your right leg. Balance yourself. Go as much as possible. Can, Sharmila, can. Stay for 10 counts, then come down, switch the other side. Saying Navina, saying do Navina, do. Balance yourself. Okay. Okay, for those who didn't get it, I'll show one more time. See, first you go to headstand position. Remember, we have done Salasana headstand. Both your knees up, walk closer on your toes. Right leg, you use your right hand to bring your right leg on top of your left thigh. Okay, so right thumb, right will be holding right. Go behind, hold. You will be bringing your hand behind, hold your, okay, like this. Behind here, like this. Good Pravina. Stay. Walk closer Pravina. And the kaal kilo la kaal konjam munukku nandu vaanga no konjam. So that your body is straight. Good. Renuka, correct. Good. Like this. Stay 1, 2. Pravina, what you do on your toes? Lift your hip higher on your toes. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come down. Very good. Okay, once you are done with both sides, okay, see, I forgot to tell, don't come up straight. You are supposed to be in child pose for a while. Rest for a while in child pose. Okay, inhale, come up. Okay, we are done for today. I will just, those who needs to leave, you can leave. I will just tell you all what happened to me yesterday. Those who needs to leave, you can leave. Thank you very much. I'll see you all tomorrow. Okay, what happened to me yesterday? Usually I don't take breakfast. I will straight away take my lunch. So yesterday, for lunch, I ordered, see, I am from Kedah. Kedah people, we eat a lot of spicy food. And I am so used to eating spicy food, but because of my practice, I think for the past 2-3 years, I have stopped. I have reduced spicy food, especially this year during MCO, I actually gave up a lot of food, including no spicy food, no oily food at all. So yesterday for lunch, I actually ordered soup. But this person, the waiter, he actually brought me mee goreng. It's supposed to be yee mee soup. He brought mee goreng. And the menu it was close. So I don't know how he got it wrong. So he brought that. Then I told him it's not the food that I ordered, but if the waiter go and give back the food to the kitchen, for sure the owner will scold him. So I said, never mind, now and this after rent, I took the food. But throughout when I was eating the food, see, I have explained to you all before about eating. The energy of the person who prepares the food as well as energy of the person who is consuming the food is very, very important. So throughout when I was eating, my mind, the moment I saw the food, this is not the food that I should eat. That was what first came to my mind. But I was eating because I did not want to waste the food. But throughout, this food is not good for my practice. I should not be taking this food. How is my body is going to take this food throughout? And I could not finish the food. I just left some of the food. I could not finish it. But throughout, that was what in my mind. Even before I could finish the food, before my last bite, I was already having headache. Migraine started because see, your mind can work so much. So I started having migraine. Throughout, then I came back home, I was having like the vomiting sensation and the headache was so bad. I took painkiller, but the headache was so bad. Actually, when I started class and when I was halfway, when I was doing Surya Namaskar, I really felt like vomiting. I really couldn't take it anymore when I stopped because I vomited out. Then I was purging throughout the whole night until today morning. And then initially I could not figure out what was happening to me. Then only I remembered. See, I have always been sharing all this with all of you, but this is the example. The energy, when what you are telling, the energy, to be frank, my energy was so negative about the food. This is not good for my body, for my practice. I've given up all this for the past few months, few years, and now I am taking it again. Now, I was eating it while I was telling that to myself, and that is what happened. But then after that, today, after my practice, I could not even wake up in the morning to practice, but after I practice in the evening, I just felt like maybe my body wanted to detox itself. It wants to clear off everything. So until today morning, I was still vomiting and purging and all. After that, so today I just fasted to just clean my body off, and now I am all okay. No headache, no vomiting, nothing at all. I'm all good. So I take it positively that body wanted to do its own detox. And what I learned is never, see, when I was eating, one mind was telling me, there are so many people out there who don't even have food. You have food in front of you and you can be saying such negative things. One mind solludu. But another mind was saying, this is not good for my practice. See, being so selfish, this is not good for my practice. Another mind solludu. So that is the lesson that I learned from what happened to me yesterday, and I wanted to share with all of you. Okay, appreciate everything that you have in front of you and be always positive. The mind is so strong that it can just influence anything and everything around you and yourself also. Okay, namaskar everyone. Take care. Thank you for all your messages, all your care, your love, and your prayers. I will see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye.
Terima kasih teacher.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, Kak.
Bye kak.
Thank you.
Thank you teacher.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you kak.
Thank you. Maybe Monisha, இந்த மெசேஜ் வந்து உங்களுக்காகவும் இருக்கலாம். Okay? Thank you, Arvind. Take care. Take care. Thank you, Sharmila. Okay, take care. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you, Lingeshwari.